Hello guys, we're here in New World Hotel Shenyang. You can see this is so much lightning. See the New World Hotel Shenyang, and this is Expo for VIP. The international organization and every business hotels is in this area. Everything is so lightning and so cool here. I love Shenyang because of the well structured and well organized everything here. You can see the rules and regulation here is so good. There is so many cars and so crowded place, but there is no traffic. There is no nothing. But everything is going smoothly here. See? This is Shenyang City Bus.